Oops. So the police sort of showed up, and yeah, they asked me a couple questions. So what happened was, when we turned on the panic mode, we did receive a call from the provider, and they did ask us for our password. So we came back to check the password, but we realized we didn't have any passwords set up in our app. The police ended up showing up. They showed up pretty fast, actually, so that's a good thing. Hi, my name is Anika, and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. We've done several videos on DIY home security through SmartThings and IFTTT. This time, I am going to show you a whole alarm system by Ring, which is easy to install. Before we get into this video, all that I ask is that you subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon to be notified, which will also notify you when we go live during our live streams. Now, if you shop on Amazon, you can help us out by using any of our links down below, like this one right here, and for other countries, we put links in every one of our videos. Finally, supporting us on Patreon allows you to see videos weeks before anyone else, videos not on YouTube, and exclusive photos and Instagram pics. I am a fan of no monthly fees, which you might have noticed from previous videos we've done on various doorbells and floodlight cameras that were given to us. So I will go over the paid plan shortly, but it's not mandatory if you only want to monitor things locally. You get alerts on your smartphone when your doors or windows open or motion is detected. It works well with Alexa to arm it, and check the status of your Ring alarm security system with your voice. So the alarm system uses the same app as your current Ring cameras. We have the Ring Video Doorbell Pro and the Ring Floodlight, and now we can see the alarm in the same app. First, let me go over everything that comes in this kit, and this kit only costs $200. It comes with a base station, which plugs into the wall and has an internal battery for 24 hours of backup in case the power is lost. It also has cellular backup if you have the Protect Plus subscription. There is a speaker and siren on the top, and all the devices are connected to it by Z-Wave. The keypad comes with a rechargeable battery that lasts about 10 months, or you can leave it plugged in so it's always charged. You can install it on your wall or on a table with a reversible bracket. The kit comes with one motion detector and one contact sensor, which are easy to install as there are no wires. They both use 3-volt batteries that last up to 3 years. Both of these can be installed with a supplied double-sided tape or the mounting screws. This range extender for your devices should be placed between your base station and the furthest device. You can expand your system by adding more keypads for $50 or contact sensors for $20 each, or motion detectors for $30. I'll put the links down below for all these accessories. Now let's test everything out and show you how it works, and then I'll show you how easy it is to install it in the app. Alright, so here on the Ring app, we have the alarm, which is on the top half, and we have our 2 cameras, the doorbell and the floodlight here at the bottom. So we are on the disarmed mode right now, which means every sensor is off. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and test out the home mode. Now I'm going to go ahead and click home mode. Okay, so we're going to do it as if though someone is entering our home. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to enter through the door. Now you want to make sure you take out your headphones if you have your headphones in, because this is going to be very loud. We're going to go into settings, and we're going to go into modes, and we're going to go into home mode. I'm going to change the entry delay because right now it's on a 30-second delay. So it's counting it down. I can do it from 0 to about 180, but I'm going to leave it because I want to show you guys. It's counting it down. It's about to hit 0. Take out those headphones, guys. It's going to be loud. Okay. So we have disarmed the alarm now. So you can change it varying depending on how you want it. I would probably keep it at 0 because in 30 seconds someone can come up and kill me. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and test out the VoA mode. I'm going to go ahead and just put in my password here. Press the VoA button. So as you can see, it's counting down the 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and disalarm it. So disarmed. Now there's also a panic mode, which is the two red buttons down here. I can go ahead and press those two in case I want to go in panic mode. I don't know what this is going to do, guys, so. Probably make the ugliest face right now, but yeah, that's what that does. Oops. So the police sort of showed up, and yeah, they asked me a couple questions. So what happened was, when we turned on the panic mode, we did receive a call from the provider, and they did ask us for our password. So we came back to check the password, but we realized we didn't have any passwords set up in our app for some weird reason. So before that even happened, he hung up the phone, and we continued to film our video, and in the middle of our video, the police ended up showing up. They showed up pretty fast, actually, so that's a good thing. But they were definitely disappointed that I wasted their time. So I will be talking about the monitoring plan, and I will show you in the app how easy it is to use and install. Their Protection Plus plan is $10 per month or $100 per year for your monitoring. However, it also includes monitoring of all your Ring cameras at that address. It's not a bad deal if you already have the doorbell and floodlight cameras. Either way, you are not locked in and can cancel it at any time. If your alarm goes off, you will get a call from a Ring alarm, and they will call the local police if you don't provide the correct password. Now I'm going to show you how to set it up in the app. The process took about 10 minutes, but I'm going to speed it up just to show you for the convenience of the video. I'll open up the Ring app and click on Add Ring Products, and then click on Alarm. Make sure your address is correct. Power up your base station and then press the pairing button. When the illuminated ring starts to spin, you can click on the Find My Base Station in the app. It is searching for your base station, and I'm going to choose Ethernet. Plug in your Ethernet cable and wait for light on the right to turn green. Your Ring alarm is getting ready to connect to the internet. Your Ring alarm base station is set up. We are going to skip the monitoring set for now. Yes, skip monitoring. And then your Ring alarm is completed. I will add the following devices one at a time, starting with the keypad. You just need to plug it in to power. It is adding device, and then it is configuring device. Added, tap to setup. I would choose the family room and keep the default name for now. You can place your keypad where it is most convenient for you. Next, you will choose your access code to arm and disarm your system. So I chose 1234 for testing, and you enter it twice. Your access code has been created, so don't forget it. Next, I will install my contact sensor. Pull the tab on the back and it will start to add and then configure the device. Device is added, tap to setup. I'll select the main door for my location. Then I will give it a custom name of front door. I will keep the default sensor name. Say hello to your contact sensor. I will skip. You can do a test of opening and closing your door. Your contact sensor is ready to use. Next, I will do my Ring motion sensor. Put the tab at the back and it will add it and then configure it. Device is added, tap to set it up. You need to know if you want a delay for your alarm or want it to sound immediately. It will be configured to fit the way you plan to use it. I'll choose entryway for a delayed alarm. I will put it in the family room and keep the default name. The Ring app warns you when motion detector senses movement. To ensure you see the warning, this motion detection indication remains until 3 minutes have passed with no motion detected. You can install your motion sensor with the tape for include bracket. I will skip with testing my motion sensor. Your motion sensor is successful. Finally, I will plug it in the range extender. it will start to add it and then configure it. The device is added. Tap to set it up. I will put it in the living room and keep the default name. A good location is halfway between your base station and your furthest device, and it is successfully installed. The setup is complete and you're ready to use your system. Alright, so I wanted to ask you guys what you guys think about this alarm in comparison to the traditional alarms that you find that are about $30 to $40, maybe even $50. Leave a comment down below and let me know what your thoughts are, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also if you would like to check out the rest of our videos, they are here on the right. And also if you yet haven't subscribed, make sure you do before you leave. Check us out on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and check out our website, HomeAutomationX.com. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.